Hey, JetBrains and Mukherjee from SRG here. So in this video I've decided to show you the basics of Python. How can a beginner to get started with Python? So for instance, I'll be using PyCharm by JetBrains Community. You can download it from the jetbrains.com. I'll not load it the website right now. So what I did is made a package called tutorials and made two packages, you know, namely example and a pack. Now, these packages are simple folders which can be imported from one library to another. For instance, I'm on the main.py for instance, and I'll be getting started with showing you a simple program like print and followed by or insert it in with double or single quotes. You can use either double or single quotes too because Python supports both of them for strings. We're writing hello world, and spare me if my writing speed is too slow today because my hands are paining, goddamn paining. You can see it printed out hello world. So this is the basics, and then let us go get to the data types and variables. Now to declare a variable, you just have to write the name of the variable followed by an equal sign and then the value of the variable. That's it. You don't have to write the data type of the variable at all, because in Python it is smart enough to determine what you're gonna you know make the variable assigned to. For instance, if I just assign a as uh, 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 quoted in double quoted or single quoted, you can see that I can use single quote too. Hello. Then it's a string. It concludes it. And if I just do it 2.99, it becomes a float, a double, what you say. And if I just make 4, it becomes integer. This is how Python programming works. This is simple, And then let's get started with classes. A class is something which is a bunches of code on different type in a single library or referential library, whatever. So to declare a class, you have to make the name of the class and then the name of the class. And what do I keep it for now? For example, example example followed by a colon. Now there are no parentheses in Python. You have to make a colon and then enter, and it will take you inside the example class. So now what I'll be doing is declaring a function. Now a function declaration is really simple. You have to just write define define a function name, and Python like Java there's an initializing function. We call it in Python like two underscores followed by an init and then again two underscores and then the curly braces, no, the parentheses. Oh my boy, I said in class an example that you have to use a parentheses. No, you have to use curly braces over there, but you do not need it in Python anyways. And self is nothing but using the self parameters. Now everything you assign in this in between these parentheses, this the parameters will be using, which will be using by the init or any function will be assigned it to. So if I just enter it and print uh, hello world, and if I just try to debug it, you'll see that there will be no output. So why there is no output when I've declared the stuff of print? Because I haven't called the class yet. So if I make an object of the class in the Python series later on, for example, I'm showing you an example example and followed by parentheses, and if I just run it right now, you will see that it will print hello world. Simple as hell. Then let's go to another section, imports. Like includes in C or C, and in Java it is imports. No, yeah, import, and then the name of the library. For example, is this. This is nothing but the system, using the system libraries in the Python code, but we do not need a system right now. I'll be making a video later on of that, and I'll that's why I made another package called a pack and then a file 2.py. What if I want to get the codes off from here in here? I'll just now select this and change to pack. No, it will be from pack import uh, file2. Now what this code is saying that from the package in the same project, import the library named file2. Now it will search for the file2.py and it'll import its code into the main.py. For instance, if I just I'm making this the parent class. I'm making this a subclass and this will be a parent class. So what I'll be doing is like I'll just eradicate this out and nothing like this, and from file2 I'll be importing the main file into it from example import import main. There you go. Well, what happened? Okay, this one. Now what if I just want to print this thing from here? As I've said that it will not print unless I call the class name from this file. I can do it like this, as something like mn. This is object-oriented programming, as you all know. I am calling this file of library as mn throughout the project. So I'll get down and I'll just do it like this: mn dot the name of the class, which is example, and followed by parentheses. Now what this will do, if I just run this file2, file2, there you go, and if I run it, you'll see that it will print hello world. Now every time you wanna do stuff with another library from another library, you have to include the different library name or the object name which you assigned it to, and then the name of the class, the function. And if I just do it like this, if I just mian, okay, whatever, then you'll see that it will not run because I is an initializing function. So I'll do it again. There you go. I know what the find it. There you go. If I run again, you'll see the hello world. Now this is the mere basics of Python. I hope you liked it. If you like it, drop a like down in the description box below. Drop a like down, and if you have any questions, the comment section is open for you. So goodbye and good night. See you later.